Which language has rich vocabulary? Grandfather,
Age.
grandmother,
Ange.
mother,
Ai.
father,
Apa.
uncles,
Aku. Asya.
aunts,
Ama. Ane.
brothers,
Nucu. Aco. Pugim.
sisters.
Num. Ajim.
If I were a boy, sisters.
Sim. Ajim.
Brother-in-law,
Makip. Makip.
co-brother-in-law,
Maro.
sister-in-law,
Nam.
co-sister-in-law,
Namro.
uncles,
Aku. Asya.
aunts,
Ane. Amchung.